Okay, so now we are going to look at placing our fixtures. Yes, placing our fixtures. Before we place our fixtures, we are going to lock this layer, the wall layer. So just look it. Then I create a new layer. Then I name it as fixtures. Let me be particular. Plumbing fixtures. Yes, plumbing fixtures. So now that this is locked, now I can't really accidentally edit anything pertaining to this, but then I can place my items on this layer without any problem. Okay, so in placing the fixtures, note that 1, 2, 3, these three are washroom, the plumbing fixtures. And basically the plumbing fixtures are what? The toilet seat, the sink, then either the bath cabin or the bath floor, you get it, or the bathtub. So we'll start from this side. Now when we come to the symbol tabs, you can see that we don't have anything bath here, and besides I don't need kitchen because I'm not in kitchen yet. So I want to add a bathtub here. Where do I go? More symbols, and I look for floor plan, then look for bath or bathroom, yes, or plumbing. How big it? So I scroll through and I see plumbing. Okay, so see plumbing. So I check plumbing. Dining room, no. Tables and chairs, no. Okay, so I think that's what I'm looking for. So then I exit. Just click anywhere to exit. So I come to plumbing. First I want to place my WC seats. I have it here. Move. I can rotate. So rotate. Do you see? Then I place it well. Do you get it? The dimensions here are supposed to be on top, but for now let's just forget about it. So I've placed my WC seat, then my sink, and click drag and drop. Now place it. Don't worry, you can scale it. If it's too big for you or it doesn't make sense to you, that's fine. You can scale it like this one. I can just make it smaller. The same thing with the sink. Just make it smaller. Just be sure to do it the way I did it so that you don't distort the Then finally my what? My bath. I'm saying basin. Okay, so I have a bath here. So I'll just move it here. And just scale. Like you can let me rotate. Yes. Okay, this is better. I can move it like this. Extend this a little. Okay, so I have my bath here. Let's move it a little to flush with the wall. Okay, so do you see? I have my WC seat, my sink, and I have my bath. So here too, in the same thing, hold control, then so the green that we saw there was a good indication. It means it was snapping. Then for here it's just a bath. So look for a bathtub. you can actually search for symbols. So let me just search for tab. Search. Let me see if I'll get a bad tab. Okay, it's taking too long. Okay, well, got no bad. So I like this one. So and you drag and drop. It's very huge. Now, if you couldn't find the library, there's a way you can find the library that this is in. So just right click and then open parent library. So I mean that, okay, there's actually you see, like you are seeing, there's actually a tab bathroom. So you see it has automatically added it. Do you see it? Let me go back to see if I'll see it in the floor plan. Bathroom, okay, bathroom. See, you didn't see it earlier. I didn't see it earlier. I think that one is better. So I scale, move, I scale again. This minus. So this is fine. No, I have my bath outdated and I need a sink. Let me go to bathroom order. Okay, so I can see different kind of sinks. I have to rotate. Then I scale again. And to this side. Hey, sorry. I have to rotate. Rotate. Okay, so this is much better. So as you can see here, I've placed my fixtures. Let me use a better symbol for my bath. Okay, so I have a shower here. And a shower. I can use this. And drag and drop. Scale. Rotate. Okay, so something like this. Okay, so this should be fine. Okay, so as you can see, I've placed my plumbing fixtures. But then remaining one last plumbing fixture. That should be in the kitchen. Yes. So our kitchen is somewhere here, but then we'll place it later because okay, let's just do it. So to place our plumbing fixture, the sink is in a cabinet. So first I have to place the cabinet. So we'll go to symbol. You have to activate the kitchen, make elevation. Kitchen and dining room. Okay, so check it. Then it shows up here. So what I'm looking for is actually an L cabinet, not a closet though. Okay, but then who cares? Create it. So I move this one here. Yes, you can see. Okay, so you can see what is happening, but I want to move up here. This is what I wanted. So I move it here, come over here like this. You can use the L key. Then I extend it like this. Great. Now I can move this one here later. Yeah, this is fine. Bring it down later. So the other plumbing fixture is the sink that will come here. So I go back to my plumbing. I can just use the bath. Okay, so this kind of what I'm looking for. I click, then drag, and I rotate. I zoom in, I scale. Okay, so this is good for me. So that's it. So I have my plumbing fixtures. I get it. There will be a refrigerator here, and then there will be a cooker here, but we'll leave that to another lesson. So there you go. We are done with what? Our plumbing fixture. So I'll log this layer. Now I want my dimension, these dimensions. They should be on top, they shouldn't be at the back. So first I create a new layer. I name it dimensions. We'll look at dimensions very soon. Then I unlock the wall part. Now my fixtures are locked, I can't make any changes there. And I select all the dimensions. Select this dimension, select this dimension, select this dimension, select this dimension, select this dimension. I'm holding Control. Select this dimension, then select this dimension. So what I do is that Control X, I cut. Okay, I didn't do for the dimension. Then I go to the dimension here. So what? See, this blue is on the wall layer, so it means that the wall layer is active. So I go here, then I lock this one. Then I paste. You see, keep cells formatting. I paste. Unfortunately, it moved, so I have to bring it back. Yes, okay, this is okay. Let me group it. Okay, so they are now a group now, then I lock it too. Okay, this is fine, but this is in a different layer. So I can delete this one. This is in wall layer. I want to change. I unlock the wall layer. Click on it, then I delete. This is fine. This is fine, and then this is okay. So that's all for the plumbing fixtures. We'll continue with grids. Sorry, we'll continue with the dimension. Yes. So next time we look at dimension.